Good morning everyone once again. How are you all doing? I'm sure आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे और अपने जीवन को बेहतर और बेहतर जरूर बना रहे होंगे. So today we move to day 4 and that is Swadhishthan Chakra. We also call Swadhishthan Chakra. Which chakra in English? Anybody knows it? Sacral Chakra.
Sacral chakra.
Yes. Now, in this video, we are going to understand each and everything you need to know about sacral chakra, Swadhisthana chakra. So, this is how it is. I just want you all to focus here and see what actually it brings for all of us. Now, let's understand Swadhisthana chakra. Where is it located? First, let's understand where is it located. Just below your navel. The Swadhisthana chakra is associated just below your navel. Is located, I'm saying, lower abdomen के पास इसकी जगह है, navel से just थोड़ा नीचे. Now, which god is associated with it? Which god is associated with it is Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu का वास हमारे सेक्रल चक्रा में होता है. That is what we know. और लॉर्ड विष्णु का बीज मंत्र क्या है? We will write the बीज mantras of the deities which are associated. Will you write that? I want you all to write that. Dam, dam, dam. Now, the planet which is associated with it is Venus, Shukra. It is Shukra. Write first the Bij mantra for Vishnu. It's Om Klim Vishnave Namaha. Om Klim Vishnave Namaha. Om Klim Vishnave Namaha. Now, please note the Bij mantra for planet Shukra. This is very beautiful mantra. If you're chanting this mantra, this actually brings a lot of abundance, harmony and prosperity. And this is known as a Mool mantra. Om Dram Drim Bij mantra. Om Dram Drim Drom Shah Sukraya Nama. Om Dram Drim Drom Sah Shukraya Nama. Om Dram Drim Drom Sah Shukraya Nama. It is used to invoke blessings of love, beauty, wealth and luxury. और क्या चाहिए जीवन में? This is very beautiful mantra which I am actually revealing it to you. It's a mantra, बीज mantra of planet शुक्र. शुक्र हमारे जीवन में सुंदरता, प्यार और बहुत सारा पैसा लेके आता है. ये हमारी लाइफ में लग्जरी लेके आता है. Now the organ which is associated with this sacral chakra is reproductive system. kidneys, bladder. Again, I am repeating, the organ associated with it is a reproductive organ. Anyone facing a challenge in conception, menstruation, these people should actually balance their sacral chakra. Kidney, any urinary problems, problem of sugar, diabetic people should actually balance the sacral chakra. Bladders, anyone facing any challenge in bladders, stones, you need to actually chant these mantras which will balance the Swadhisthana chakra. It will activate it and you'll be relieved of any problems in this area. Now, what is the Bij mantra of this particular sacral chakra? It is Vam. 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 Beautiful vibration. You can chant it for yourself and see it, what kind of vibration you feel and where do you feel this vibration. The color of sacral chakra is orange. And the benefit of balancing Swadhisthana chakra is it's so many benefits of actually balancing Swadhisthana chakra. So you understand it, like emotional benefit. It helps in emotional stability and healthy expression. You become expressive. It removes guilt, shame and suppressed feelings. स्वादिष्टान चक्र आपका जैसे ही बैलेंस होगा, आपने कभी भी कुछ भी अगर छुपा के रखा हुआ है तो ये आपके उन चीज़ों को बैलेंस करता है, उसको एक्सप्रेस करके रिलीज करता है. So you can now understand how important it is from the point of view of emotional expression. It brings greater joy and enthusiasm in our life. जो खुशी आप महसूस करते हैं, it expands that. Healthy intimacy and improved romantic relationship, for relationship I'm talking. It brings trust, openness and bonding. आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपकी पार्टनर्स के साथ, आपके लोगों के साथ, it improves that. It also enhances creativity. You become more expressive. Your imagination expands. Flow of new ideas start happening. It increases passion in work and hobbies which you do. फिजिकल बेनिफिट्स इसके ऐसे रहते हैं कि इसका आपका रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन और हेल्दी होने लगता है. किडनी, ब्लैडर एंड लोअर एब्डोमिनल के हेल्थ को बहुत इन्हांस करता है. हार्मोन्स आपके बैलेंस करता है. This is as beautiful as that. And what is the color which I told? Orange.
Orange.
Yes. And the element which it's associated with is it's water. And now we will understand how do we balance this chakra. We now know the benefits, the immense benefit. How do we balance it? So first, we all know that we can balance these chakra by chanting the Bij mantras, which I have just given to all of you. The continuous chanting of Bij mantra, you can chant the Bij mantra of sacral chakra, followed by Bij mantra of Vishnu, who is the ruler of this planet, and then the planet Venus Bij mantra. So one, we can do it through mantras which are associated with this sacral chakra. Now, other ways are you can do water meditation. I feel, in addition to Venus, one more planet which is associated with this Swadhisthana chakra is Moon. So we always remember that, if you take a moon bath, like, you walk when the moon is up, you go and take a moon walk, it gets balanced. You do something creative, you hear music, you sing a song, you dance, then your sacral chakra gets balanced. Drink more and more water if you really want to improve your reproductive organs, your kidneys, your bladders. We're drinking of more water because the element is water, right? This is what helps you to actually balance your chakras, which is Swadhisthana chakra. Now, some affirmations I'll tell that you can allow my emotions to flow freely and safely. I'm creative and inspired being. I honor my body and treat myself with love. I attract healthy, loving relationship. I give and receive plenty of love openly. So the mudra for Swadhisthana chakra is Shakti mudra. You can search on Google that in what is Shakti mudra. You have to just sit on Padmasana or Sukhasana, and then you touch the ring finger and little finger tip to the thumb. Touch the ring finger and little finger tips to the thumb tip, and keep index and middle fingers folded inward. Rest hands on knees, palm upward, and breathe slowly. This is Shakti mudra. You can search on Google and you'll get Shakti mudra. The yoga which you should be doing to actually balance this Swadhisthana chakra is butterfly pose, wide-legged forward bend, जिसको बोलते हैं उपविष्ठा कोणासना. कोबरा पोज कर सकते हैं, भुजंगासन, कैमल पोज, उत्तरासन, मलासना, हेड टू नी पोज, जनु शीर्षासना, बैलेंस हिप फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड इमोशनल कामनेस, और धनुरासन, बो पोज. So now we know everything about Swadhisthana chakra, which we should be knowing. And I request all of you to actually go ahead and start implementing these exercises, the yoga poses which I have said, the mudras which I have given to you, the mantras, the moon bath. So many things are there now, and it's so easy to do it. If you want to balance this very important chakra, which is sacral chakra. And this is so important in our life because it is the one chakra which actually is responsible for improving three most important areas of our life. That is wealth, health, and relationship. This is that chakra which you should always get balanced in order that you don't have time for all the 7 chakras to get balanced. Just take effort to balance this one chakra, which is sacral chakra, if you are wanting to bring abundance of love in your relationship, you want to improve relationship, want to improve your wealth, and you want to improve love and good health in your life. I hope this learning will help you. And now I want you all to start living this. Take out 5 minutes and choose any one way. You can start drinking more water, or you can just start with moonwalk, understanding the benefits it's going to give you. which I have told, and just keeping that intention, start drinking more water from today. Keep going for a moon walk. एक बार moon पे walk नहीं कर सकते तो go and sit where moonlight is falling, and this will start balancing your chakra. And for 1 minute, you can actually, while you're sitting in the moonlight, just chant the mantra Vam. Then after you've chanted Vam, chant beach mantra of planets Venus, Om, Dhram, Dhram, Shukraya Nama, which I have given to you. Then chant Vishnu mantra, and then come back and sit at your place after 5 minutes of doing it. While you're sitting, you can also sit in the mudra, that mudra which I said. Just you can sit on that mudra so that you are actually making the chakra activation more powerful, very, very powerful.